When you talk about Von, you're talking about the design to love. Introducing Von microwave ovens that tumekuletea here at Tenza Home Appliances. Let us begin with the 20 liters zenye tuko nazo. The 20 liters comes with the in terms of the quarters grill, it comes with the preset cooking, the memory cooking. Imagine you can cook something and maybe save it for later cooking. It also comes with the antibacterial cooling feature. Imagine inatoa all bacteria zenye zinaweza kuwa wapi on the microwave. Next pia on the inside, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's a 20-liter Von microwave oven, and that is how it looks like. It also comes with a button control and a digital display in terms of functionality, where you get to enjoy and access all the express cook in terms of maybe selection of your clock timing. This one goes for only 9,500 Kenyan shillings, and there you can get it here at Tenza Home Appliances. Next on our list, we have the Von 25 liters in terms of microwave oven. This comes with a knob functionality in terms of control. It also comes with buttons in terms of also controls, up to 11 power levels in terms of controlling, antibacterial cooling feature in Konayo, auto cook menu, and also the memory cooking. And this is how it looks like. It's a microwave oven with a grill. It has the pia auto defrost function. Inamaanisha nini? In terms of icing zenye zinaform kwa chakula yako, you can defrost it quickly. Ukishatoa tu kwa fridge, unaiweka hapo ndani na inatoa all the icy and it should be ready to cook. This one goes for only 12,999, that translates to 13,000 Kenyan shillings here at Tenza Home Appliances. Variety tunazo hatuna.